Welcome to The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, a groundbreaking framework that has transformed millions of lives worldwide. With over 40 million copies sold globally, Stephen Covey's masterpiece continues to shape the way we approach personal and professional growth. In this video, we'll explore each of the 7 habits, understanding how they can revolutionize our approach to life's challenges and opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, these principles are universal and timeless. Let's dive in and discover how these habits can help us become not just more effective, but truly exceptional in all areas of our lives. Habit 1. Be proactive. At its core, this habit is about recognizing our ability to choose our responses to life's events. It's the fundamental realization that between stimulus and response, we have the power of choice. Consider this. When faced with a problem, do you immediately blame others or circumstances? Or do you pause and ask yourself, what can I do about this? This is the essence of being proactive, focusing on your circle of influence rather than your circle of concern. Proactive people take initiative. They don't wait for circumstances to be perfect. They create opportunities. They say, I can and I will, instead of I can't or if only. By adopting this mindset, you expand your influence and ability to affect positive change in your life and surroundings. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. This habit is about developing a clear vision of your desired direction and destination in life. It's the mental creation that precedes the physical creation. Imagine you're at the end of your life looking back. What do you want to have accomplished? What kind of person do you want to have been? This exercise helps you define your personal mission statement, a concentrated, focused articulation of your life's vision. By beginning with the end in mind, you ensure that your actions are aligned with your core values and life goals. It's about being purpose-driven rather than activity-driven. This habit empowers you to write your own story, rather than allowing others or circumstances to write it for you. Habit 3. Put first things first. This habit is the practical fulfillment of the first 2 habits. It's about prioritizing and executing around your most important priorities. It's where vision becomes reality through disciplined action. Covey introduces us to the time management matrix, which categorizes our activities into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. The key is to focus on quadrant 2, activities that are important but not urgent. These are the activities that contribute most to our personal and professional growth. Putting first things first means organizing and executing around your most important priorities. It's about living and being driven by the principles you value most, not by the agendas and forces around you. This habit is the heart of effective personal management. Habit 4. Think win-win. This habit is about seeking mutual benefit in all human interactions. It's a frame of mind that constantly seeks mutual benefit in all human interactions, creating reciprocal relationships and agreements. Win-win is based on the paradigm that there is plenty for everybody, that one person's success is not achieved at the expense of others. It's not about being nice or giving in. It's about seeking solutions that benefit all parties involved. By adopting a win-win mindset, we build trust and foster long-term relationships. It's about character, integrity, and maturity. Remember, in the long run, if it's not a win for both of us, we both lose. This habit is crucial for effective leadership and interpersonal relationships. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. This habit is about communication, and it's the key to building strong relationships. It involves listening with the intent to understand, not just to reply. Most people listen with the intent to reply, not to understand. They're either speaking or preparing to speak. But true understanding comes from empathic listening with your ears, your eyes, and your heart.